Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make this easy garlic mushrooms recipe. This is so simple to put together and the perfect mushroom side. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're using 1 pound of baby bella mushrooms. You can use whatever kind of mushrooms you like. Some of the mushrooms are small in sizes. I'm going to leave those as they are, but I'm going to halve the bigger pieces. That way all the sizes are even. Next, I have my cast iron pan heating up over medium heat. I'm tossing in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I am also adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to let the butter melt completely. Then I'm tossing in 1 medium minced onion. I'm cooking the onion for about a minute or 2 until it turns translucent. Then I'm adding the mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms for about 4 minutes or until they soften a little bit. My trick to getting more flavor is to leave the mushrooms to cook, then stir every 1 minute. That way the bottoms can have time to brown up and add flavor each time you stir. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of white wine. Then I'm going to season with some salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to stir everything together, then cook for about 2 minutes. That way the sauce can reduce and thicken slightly. After the sauce has cooked and reduced, I'm going to add in 4 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, and 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped thyme. I'm going to mix everything together, then cook for about 30 seconds or until the garlic begins to get fragrant. And that's it, you guys, we are done. Very easy, flavorful, and delicious garlic mushroom side. I think this will go well with steak and mashed potatoes. Or if you're on a diet, you can even serve this as it is over some sautéed brown rice. You don't even need any meat at all. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!